got my tea, and I think I'm ready to hit it. Let's see, I'm just gonna start the stream also in Discord for anybody who's in the call. Like so, and then, yeah, we might... Wait, you guys ain't seeing shit, my bad. There we are. Or there am I. Whoa, wait. Alright, so today is the day where we might actually get something. Nah, probably not, but we are getting close to getting something. So yeah, that's pretty cool, I guess. Let's see. Today is Saturday, right? That's also true. I think we got past this. In theory, we should have all of this implemented. Except, no, we should have all of this. If I don't wrong, I can't in days. Yes. Let's see the draw. Let's see that I actually do call that. Try removing this thing and then yeah, append and an update set, and this thing will just destroy itself because it doesn't use any allocation. Well, you can see also that I don't pass an allocator anywhere, so we cannot have any heap allocated memory. Well, unless if I used it, but then it would be kind of bad. You should do it like that. Alright, pig needs to go. See ya, pig. Alright. So yeah, this is completed. Next is textures, which I got to this point. I created this. I did the region. Yes, I did images over here. Oh wow, look, mesh has some issues. We should probably fix that. VMA. GPU memory use only. VMA, and then see. Just because I'm lazy, right? The same will go for this one. And same for that one. And same for allocation info. No, this one actually we can do a normal VMA allocation info, like so. And then VMA get allocation. See, that one has to be like this. And then do that, and then here we'll take in the VMA that allocator, and that should be fine. Alright, I just wanted to fix those things real quick. Okay, so we got to this point, and then we have upload data to image. So you take in the data, you, well, upload data to image. It doesn't really specify that it's on the GPU. Upload data to GPU image. Upload data to GPU. Nah, it's an image. You don't really care if it's on the GPU or not. Where else would you store it? Like, well, anyways, you upload the data to an image, and then it will just propagate it in there. Yeah, I was gonna start working on these things. Yeah, and then the custom creation of these ones. Right. So I added them here. All of these, all of this is actually supposed to be removed from this file, but it's just here for the sake of still just following the tutorial. The tutorial just jams everything in the engine, so I'm just jamming it straight in the top of the render anyways, but these things will not exist here once we are done. So this is just for simplicity, so I don't, and also I'm not really sure where I should put them at the moment. Well, I would if I were to just stop it here, but that wouldn't be anything, because then we'd have the thing you see right there, and that's not, we want more than that. So yeah, that won't do. But let's see, let's create those as part of the init default data function. This is basically our init. Yeah, I don't want to pass it into a different function. We're gonna keep the default initializers here. Then this will actually be. This could actually stay in here, to be honest, because it's kind of like, if we're just gonna use one, how about I plan this thing? Draw image and depth image, yeah. These two will probably actually stay in here with the rest of the stuff as just normal things. We will keep the draw and depth image.
Well. Hello.
How are you doing, my dear friend?
I'm doing quite sig.
Siggy? Bro, that's sigging as hell.
Yeah, bro, I've done some work on my window
You're
manager.
down bad? Okay.
And some more. What? No, I would never.
I will take all of these things, they will not work, but we will take them like this anyways. And where would it make sense to create all of the... Well, here I will create the depth image and the draw image, so let's just take this in here as well. We can actually do... I don't know if this will clutter things up more or if it actually will make it readable. How do one make these things in Ziggy? Ah, not like that. Oh my god.
What things?
Multi-line comment. Like, usually it's backslash...
There are none.
Oh, okay, great. I see, I like Sig a lot more than... Okay. We'll just write...
But select the lines you want to comment out, so you can do Control Shift slash.
Yeah, but I would just want to describe why this section is here.
You don't.
Well, for me it's kind of getting to the point because like 80% of the code which is here is not supposed to be here just for the sake of the tutorial that it's here. So I will just write picture default texture. Well, actually they could be in the image structure. It's would that make sense? Like init default texture. I think you should have a texture structure maybe. In that sense, nah.
Yeah, default, that's exactly what you should have.
Default textures.
You should have a texture structure.
Yeah, but the textures are literally just images. That's what they are.
Okay, so you just don't call them textures, just call them images and have a default image.
So just add in here like a create checker image, for example. Yeah. And they create white image, create gray image. Magenta.
Sure.
Because what they do is literally just... Do they push all of the things? Pixel, magenta, and then black. What do they use the white and gray for? They just create them, but they still use them in here.
Magenta? That's not even a real color.
It is.
No, like it literally isn't a real color.
It is. Is magenta a real color? This is not... Magenta is considered a real color, though it is classified as an extra spectral or non-spectral color because it does not correspond to a single wavelength of light in the visible spectrum, unlike colors such as red or blue, which have specific wavelength. Magenta is perceived by human brain when there is stimulation. Yeah, okay, so in that sense, you only think of blue, red, and green. Is that how it is?
Yeah, I don't actually see any other colors. I see green, red, and blue.
Oh my god. So what do you see here? What is this?
Oh yeah, that's like red.
You're gonna give the hex value?
Yeah, it's like hashtag FF0000, and then with alpha there's also FF.
What? This is... Oh, you have to put some... What was it? What was the thing? Was it red and blue? Yeah, a bit of blue you have to put in there. You forgot to put some blue in there.
There's not blue in there, it's just red.
No. Colors such as red or blue. Well, bruh, there is not... This is not pure red. There is definitely some blue here.
No, that's definitely pure... No, that's actually green.
No.
That is pure green.
Hashtag FF0FF.
Yeah, isn't not that what I didn't say?
No, you said there's green. The green is 0.
Technically, that's hex color. Isn't that just purple?
But that's magenta.
So what's purple?
Well, magenta is subset of purple. All right. right? Trust me, bro.
Really? Well, I think you're a subset of purple.
Brother. Oh my days.
You know, my math library doesn't even have a magenta constant for color. So, I mean, it can't be a real color then.
Oh, that's true.
Because I define what is real. Well, my math library defines what's real.
And that's crazy, bro. I mean, we could take all of these and just put them in the image and like create default image or something like that. That could work.
Don't. How about you just make a uniform that has if it's a texture or just a color.
But that's the same thing, texture and color. Both of them are still textures.
Is a no, what I mean in the you can just add a uniform for the shader. So you're like, yo, I'm drawing a texture now, and then it's like, yeah, okay, that's cool. And you could be like, yo, I'm drawing a color right now.
Oh, you mean like that? No, like it's
Yeah.
This is just for like simple. If you try to load a texture but you can't find it, you will just upload one of these as to be drawn instead.
Hey,
Yo,
hey,
That
Damon,
sounds good.
what's up?
Yo, Damon.
How are you, my dear friend?
hey, you
Is he your friend?
That's semantics, all right? Just trying to come here and hang out, not get all, absorbed by mediocrity.
Mediocrity.
Mm,
Okay, but we're
you
gonna
mean
rewrite this
democracy.
C++ code to just
Zig?
yeah.
No, to Rust.
Oh
He's
god.
rewriting it in
what do you-
Rust.
Let's
what do you-
refactor it to Rust.
No! Man, I thought you guys were like beyond Zoomers.
Beyond.
Yeah, we're boomers.
We are
No,
goomers.
you gotta be like, you gotta be in the middle, goomers.
Goomers.
Replace
like
that M with an
goom.
N.
Yeah, but yeah, that was what I was thinking too. You know.
Damn, I've had enough of the gooners. Damn,
Those
they
damn
raided
gooners.
too many gooner caves. We're over it.
Hell yeah, those Gooner caves. Yeah, that's true.
I'm gonna allow it to be.
Lucas.
Hmm?
No, you can't. You
Yes,
just make
because
you
this
make it.
this is throwaway code, bro. I'm making this consciously because then I will know that this is not supposed to be here. I will take it away. I don't wanna make it nice because then I might forget.
Just put a big fat to do.
Yeah,
Big
just
to
put-
do.
I got
Yeah.
too many of them to do's in this file already.
Make it to do two. It's like to do and then a two, so you know like what's the really important stuff, you know.
No.
To do two
No,
and
we
to
just-
do, you know.
Things that are throwaway would write the ugly so it
Not
will be-
not a shot your name it like that.
I am. I have, and I'm continuing to do it.
Okay. Well, it seems like I'm gonna call the Seegers on you.
Stop.
Cheesecake.
Please don't call the
She's
singers. Don't call the
Get
singers.
him.
No, don't call the
Yeah,
Don't
he's a
singers.
call
Seeger
the
alert.
Oh,
Ziggers.
don't do it.
No,
Don't-
please.
Don't call the
Don't
singer.
do it, man.
Don't do it. I don't want no singers.
Hey, actually, you probably be careful saying that. Fucking the YouTube algorithm for thing might pick it up and flag you randomly.
Seeger?
It's not
singers.
perfect. Yeah,
Bruh.
should probably
Seegers, yeah.
That's wild.
Seeger.
Well,
Be back.
all right. Now, what did I take in the scene? Was it just the pure handle? The allocator, yeah.
That allocator.
See you later, alligator. So the handle.
Allocator.
Then we need the device. And then we're gonna need.
Lucas, please
Hold on.
rename the
I'll be
variable.
No, I don't wanna.
Bro, what? That's the worst name I've ever seen, bro. There's not like even if it's throwaway code, it's not gonna be throwaway code. We both know that that's gonna be
It's
there.
gonna,
See,
bro. You think I'm gonna store the default textures? Like you can even see I have put it in here. It's gonna be throwaway. All of these things are gonna be throwaway. So if you find it in here, yeah,
Really?
then you can tell me like, what the fuck. But if it's not here, then if it's in here, then don't mind it. Don't mind it.
Lucas, can you go to Wallenstein and just look at the
But
to-dos,
the
you know, so you can see that throwaway code
Wallenstein
isn't
wasn't
throwaway code?
supposed to be anything. It was just supposed to understand how VR works. All right. That one you
Okay, so
can't
this
use.
isn't supposed to be anything either.
No, this is supposed to be something. But the things that I'm gonna
Okay.
throw away are actually gonna be thrown away. All right.
They're not.
They are though.
No, you're not gonna throw it away, you're just gonna move it to another place.
No, but then I will rename it if I do that.
You won't. You
This
will
guy
forget, you will forget.
What makes you not believe me, huh? What have I ever done that makes you doubt what I'm saying?
What could that possibly be?
Yeah, what could it possibly be, bro?
I don't know your Wallenstein and your
well,
SIG
but the
game that
Wallenstein
isn't to
doesn't
any
count,
SIG.
okay? The Wallenstein is the
SIG game though?
the SIG game. Well, that thing TypeScript, so you can't use that one, alright?
No, I can. I absolutely can.
Well, no. You see,
But I'll just let you sit in your pile of trash. I'll just try to ignore that this ever existed.
that because it will not exist soon enough, okay? Trust me, trust me, bro. Wait, where's the? I need. Okay, there is a good. I need to show it. Like or. Trust me, bro. This always comes to mind when I say trust me, bro.
What did you say?
Come on, I need to. Ah.
We are the
How do I
underground.
skip?
No. Catacombs? The combs, you said? No, the catacombs are beneath it. To your rooms, to your rooms. With room. Follow me. Whoa, let's go. Here we go. Rest until we see it is the day right now.
Looks like Lucas's code.
Because this is so funny. See, it's day right now. How do you know?
What do you know? I can tell. Trust me, bro. Source, I made it up. Just trust me, bro.
Trust me, bro. That's every time I say trust me, bro. That comes to mind. Just trust me, bro. And I cannot get it out of my mind. It's just there now. It's marked. It's just there. I'm like, okay. It's a trust me, bro now.
Bruh.
This
Come
was
in.
supposed to be.
You're thinking about a hot dog, aren't you?
I'm a hot dog.
No, wait. Let me cook here. I'll say, bruh.
Okay.
You're thinking about a hot dog, aren't you?
Oh, the baba. Or how did it go?
Yes.
Oh, what the fuck? Ha-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. This one are supposed to get a little bit of a false after them because I added another thing. Another field. So they have to say false. But now we should have. Oh, wait, sample bit. Wait, hold on. Did I fuck up? No. That's the thing. It's okay. Oh, it's the jammer music.
And yeah, I was just gonna say it's the jamming music. You know, it represents Lucas's code.
Hey, now, all right, okay. Now we're gonna do gray.
It's true.
We're gonna graying. We're gonna be graying now.
Lucas, why aren't you naming gray lowercase? I mean, camel case, snake case, screaming case. Why is it like that?
Because it's the same in the tutorial, so it's fine.
But isn't that throwaway?
Yeah, it's bro. Okay, just for you, Harold. Just for you.
Yeah, bro, messed it up. No, that's not good enough. Make it worse. That's too readable. No, still too readable. Have one in the have two underscores at the beginning. Yeah, but have two underscores before gray also. So it's like underscore.
Bruh.
No, it's throwaway. Rename it.
It's throwaway, bro. Trust me, bro. Trust me, bro.
Yeah, I ain't trusting you on that.
Wait, Sig doesn't use the F, right?
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
You know, there is a color inbuilt to my math library.
Well, now I do.
You don't have to use these vectors, man.
But is it Vec 4 though?
Yeah, there is one with alpha, yeah. I have one with and without. It's you do nz.color.rgb or RGBA.
Oh, okay.
It's generic, it got a bunch of shit, it got a bunch of functions, it got like from hex,
Okay, well that's pretty good. So wait, I can just do.
Yes.
Just gonna. So I can do like this, color, and then.
Mm-hmm. No, color.rgb or RGBA. You want RGBA.
And then I just.
And then the type also, which is
32.
F32 or U42.
Oh yeah, wait, F32, you're right. And
Yeah.
then I just do. You have white? Thank God. you
Yeah,
have
there's
white.
a white. Yeah,
And then I can do the same, but
I know.
do you have gray?
Yeah, I think so.
You have green.
Well, actually, maybe I
How
don't.
dare you not have?
No, but you can do just new. Yeah, it was new.
This is
And they can just pass in.
unacceptable. You know, I have to call the maintainers of this library. Can I? Should I have a?
That's me.
That's you. Can I git clone your thing and then make a PR for gray? Or can you add gray right now?
I can use the add gray right now.
But I should still
I
have.
can even add a grayscale function, so you can just like put in, you know.
I love this. Viger is such an amazing character from this.
Right.
Wait, what was it? It was. Yeah, I should probably still have though an what's it called? Your library clone, because I will probably just like start using a lot of that those math features. Might want to add some stuff.
Just tell me what you need, man.
What?
Just tell me what you need.
Ah, okay. But if you're not online, that I can still make a PR.
Message me. You can make a PR if you want, yeah.
Wait, but I cannot do it from these ones. I actually have to git clone it. I cannot make from the include these ones, right? That wouldn't work somehow. Or can you do that?
Mm-hmm.
I can
you
still
just refetch it.
No,
You can edit it, yeah.
But can I like push and make a PR?
Yeah, you can edit it. No, you can't.
Yeah, that
but you can edit stuff.
How do you have the? Where do you have the? How do you even create this? Okay, you just do this. Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. Who is having that jamming music in the background?
You can hear it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can hear it? My bad.
It's alright.
I'm gonna get your YouTube flagged.
Hell yeah.
I can't even hear what you guys are saying. I got it so loud in my ears. I'm just jamming.
Right, I still need to make this.
Oh, actually, since my Discord reset, I actually gotta double check to see if like anything else. It says it's good.
Still don't have it. VMA handle. Now I'm gonna pass. Wait, pass in the device, the allocator, and then we need to pass in the data. Where do we pass in the type of the data? Oh, hold on, I'm a bit.
What do you mean? Oh, it's Vulkan stuff. Yeah, never mind.
Oh wait, this is not actually. No, wait. This is. I'm just tripping. I'm tripping balls. That's what I'm trying to say. Oh wait, but we are not. This is still not creating the act. Ah, we'll see. You will probably crash and burn, and that's fine. Then we don't need this. This should be all the same anyway, so ba-bam, ba-bam, ba-bam. And then we'll need a black one. Now you do have
Black one.
You do have an inbuilt black color, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you create it? Do you put... Oh, but do you put max on the alpha or black? Well, I guess it's okay as well.
Yeah.
They don't do it for this one, but I think that's fine still. It depends on how you what format kind of you use for it. I guess it makes more sense to have 100% because then it will actually be, otherwise it will be transparent.
Yes. I can probably add a transparent if you want.
Well, that I guess I don't need. You just can you just splat 0 it or equal 0 or something? Isn't it by default
You
0
can just do std dot zeros. I don't know. I don't think I. Maybe I have defaults for this one. No, I don't. But you can just do std.0, or I can add a transparent right now if you want.
And I don't need it right now, but I'm just thinking.
But do you want it?
No, I don't. But you could still add it actually.
Yeah, I'll add it.
Dude,
Nice.
Wikipedia is asking me for $25. Like, what?
Well, you
Bruh.
better pay
There
up.
we go again.
Like, bro, like it's like that's a crazy amount to ask the entire world.
Imagine if the whole world paid that, there would be quite a few billions.
Yeah, just send us $25. You know, no
Ima-
biggie. If you
ima-
can't afford that, at least give me $275. It's like what?
25, you get more than 275. Wait, 275, they mean 27.50, right?
Like no, $2.75. Like
okay.
I don't know.
But then, you know, that's how it works. They ask you for something outrageous, and then when they ask you for something more reasonable, you're like, okay, but 275 I can do, you know? Psychology.
Yeah. But I don't understand where it's justified. But like, how much does it cost to run a website? Like, they're not like the website isn't anything but just text. It's not running anything. It's not like a program. It's just your regular.
It's more
older
paying for the
mill
people who
website.
are doing the fact checks and like maintaining like every page.
But it's not though. It's all humans. Like you yourself.
Yeah,
can,
but
like,
there are some pages which have restrictions, like by people who are
but the
actually
people,
like employed.
they're not like. I'm pretty sure like.
Lucas.
I don't think they have anybody really employed. I'm pretty sure it's
James.
all like merit based.
No. Well, like there's I don't know for sure, but I have a vague memory of people like actually getting like you have to get some like some pages have like some sort of restriction that there's some specific like titles or whatnot.
You get like merits and you earn like mod stat. Like it's it's got like the little hierarchy. Like you spend enough time starting off, and then you earn your ranks, and all of a sudden you become like a reviewer, right? It's not like they hire you. It's like a Discord mod type thing.
Like me.
Yeah, but except Harold pays.
Yes,
to be
of
a
course
Discord
they
mod.
do have. They have like a company, have people hired and stuff like that, but like, no. From what I've seen, it's definitely pushed to be community driven. Like a lot of the work's done by the people.
Yeah.
Yeah, but because anyways, fetch the thing. I updated it so that it has gray and transparent now for you.
Okay.
Euphoria?
For me? Just for me?
Yep. Just for
wait,
you.
was it Sig Fetch? What was it?
I sent it to you.
Yeah. No, there. I think it did it. I don't know.
It didn't.
It did. Check this out. You can have it here. Dot. What was the thing? Forgot already.
Gray.
Great. Look at this. Great. What the fuck? Where did you
You
send
didn't
it?
fetch it. You just did private DMs. You might also have to reload your LSP once you've fetched it.
gray is. Woo! And how did you create gray?
Just for you.
It has to be 0.66, bro. The tutorial 0.66. We cannot.
Yeah. But that's technically like, that is a grey, but mine is also a grey, because grey is not an actual color. Grey then it's a spectrum of color. Well, technically most colors are big spectrums.
There are only 3 true colors, am I right?
Nah, there are no colors actually, it's just a bunch of wavelengths. So you're actually lying.
But there is no us either then, right? Because we are just the imaginary existence of some greater being, right?
No, we're just a bunch of simulations.
We are simulations.
Yep.
I implemented
And our goal
quadratic
is
Beezer distance from the first try while being
a
drunk.
quadratic geezer. A person who drinks alcohol in Britain.
He
That's
was
great.
being drunk. That guy crazy, I tell.
What?
He was. And be careful what you say now. That's pretty close to. he switched the B in being to an N. Crazy motherfucker, am I right? What are these pixels anyways? Oh, they're just an array.
Pixels. A boiler pixel is a free,
Well,
you say technically bunch of bytes that represent color on
God.
a screen.
This guy. I'm just gonna create an.
And one singular pixel is actually 3 values that represent 3 different points in the memory address that will get sent out to your display driver, which later tells your screen what to render.
Wait, no. How do I just like that? Yeah. Now I create the for loop.
No. You do at splat 0.
Right.
Or just undefined.
Well. No, because undefined and I cannot access the things.
Oh, really?
Isn't it?
Can't you?
Isn't it?
You know, undefined is just garbage memory.
Yeah. Okay, I will just split it 0.
Okay, well that's less efficient. You want to modify it? Yeah, then you do pixels needs to be a variable. Oh my god, bro! No, you do.
You just want to do it like this?
No. Var. Yes, and the var pixels. Are you going to mutate it?
Yes, I'm going
I
to.
suppose. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. And then you do reference pixels in the for loop.
Okay, actually I could do undefined because it's kind of like I'm gonna modify every single one anyways. Okay.
Yeah. And then you do
Whoa.
reference pixels, so like an ampersand before pixels.
Wait, what? Here?
No, before pixels. In the inside of the, yeah, there. And then we do pointer pixel. Not pix, what the fuck? it has to be a star pix. Or pixel. Yeah, star. Great. And then when you want to modify it, you do pixel dot star because you want to dereference it.
Actually, but wait, how do I do? I need access to the index.
Yeah, then you do comma dot 0 dot
Right,
dot.
at that point I could just do for each.
No.
Actually, I know, I have smarter.
No.
Let's just do 0 to 16. So much better.
Are you stupid? That's what? Okay, bro. I mean, sure. Nested for loops, my beloved.
Yes.
Okay, so Cheesecake wants you to read the Twitch chat.
Just a sec, alright?
Wow.
Okay. I'll be a completely different person on New Year's Eve. You have a month to prepare for the Cheesecake 2. Shit. I hope-
Cheesecake 2. Oh
Yeah.
no, I hope he isn't a Rust user.
Oh, he will be a PHP user.
How dare you?
I hope Cheesecake 2 won't be drinking as much as the Cheesecake 1. I'm already though. He's already a Rust user? What the fuck?
Oh, already? Oh, damn it.
Wait. What the fuck? Pixels y multiplied by 16 plus x. Not Rust.
Yeah, also wakey, there is no powers in C.
Eggs and
There's
bakey?
std math.pow.
Right.
Yeah, anyways, get back to coding.
Wait, what does it? It takes. We're working with F32s here.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to take.
You don't need to use parentheses for those operations also.
I'm just trying to think about the
Yeah.
ternary operator. Like, what is it? Is it asking for
If.
But what is it asking for? If.
Well, if it's a C if, then it's if it's 1. So you can do if
Yeah,
and
but-
then this thing equals 1. Like, you know what powers are?
Yeah, but how can I? It should be every other one should become a magenta, and every like it should iterate between those. Oh yeah, but it takes the modulo of
Yeah.
the. Okay, that's why it works. Okay, now I see. I didn't see that. I didn't think about that.
Yeah.
If
If statements have to have parentheses.
I always forget.
This is
that.
not hyphen.
Well, using if instead of question mark and using and or instead for pipes and ampersand is already looking kind of like Python, to be honest.
Yeah, I don't really like the and or really, but I mean I like the ternary in Sig. It makes sense, And it's
But how
also
does-
good that you can use ternary with switch
Is
cases.
this equal if? And then I just leave it
Yeah.
like this, and then else.
No, you
okay.
also have to do equals 1 in the if, because POW doesn't return a boolean.
What?
In C, if statements do bullshit, so they basically are that booleans are 1 and false, like true is 1 and false is, whatever.
That's false.
I don't think so.
Okay. And then we can just. Right, this one is supposed to be called magenta. And we can take all of this, or actually we're just gonna take that. Then we're gonna do this, bam, and we're gonna change this out to be called this thing. And then pixel data, well, it's just gonna be pixels. There. And we can get rid of that. And then we'll have these things, will just be a bit different. Same loser with you today? Exactly. I can't get rid of this one. Nah, they're kidding, Harold. They're joking. It's just a joke. Don't take it too serious.
What did he say?
Nothing if you didn't listen.
No, I was busy thinking about if I should add more colors to my color library instead of my map library.
Exactly. I'm just gonna do that. And this one will be the same thing. Bruh. Oh, for fuck's sake. Sometimes, oh Jesus! Nice. And sampler, null, and that should be the same. So now we should have implemented this. What they? Oh, yeah, but we're freeing memory. Well, we should do that.
Yeah, no, we don't do that around here.
We don't free memory here. No, but we're gonna have so many other big issues before this one becomes an issue. But I should probably add the free for that. Unclear of why is what? Yeah, right. All of these are actually unclear.
You don't even need to do that. You can just do dot.
For real?
Um,
Like that?
yeah,
Oh wait,
No,
but
it's
remove
dot.
that as well.
yeah.
Ah.
Also, I don't know if we can extend like allow. I think it has actual field names, doesn't it?
Width, depth, and height. Yeah.
Yeah, but those are called things, right? They're not arrays, are they? Because in Sig you have to explicitly say
Yeah.
what's what.
They are fields. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And because in C and C++ you can do stupid bullshit like just
Hey.
enter in randomest numbers.
Okay. So wait, I should do the dot.
Dot. Yeah, also you can use multi-line cursor for this and it would be more efficient, but you can do it your slow way also.
Yeah, I prefer that.
Yeah, I realized. No, you still control Z until you get back VK extent and then you can select those again and then you can,
We'll actually fix the rest of my things so I will get LSP. Stupid memory, exactly. Magoo, Mr. Mango gets it, you know what I'm saying?
I think we need to implement a garbage collector for Lucas.
No! Why would we do that? I collect my
Because
own
of all the
memory.
memory leaks.
No, I don't have any memory leaks.
Sure.
I don't have any, except for these images right now. Or textures.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Any other you want to tell us about?
No, there is no other ones. I
You
run
sure
with the
about
I run with the debugger allocator and there is no memory leaks.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I
Except
bet when you code C, it's super bad and memory leaks everywhere.
no, I wouldn't have passed any of my project if it had even one memory leak. So, nope, not this. I'm an expert on memory leaks. All right.
Okay, let's see if you're an expert in C though. Okay, so Lucas, imagine you would make a new C project. How would the folder structure be like?
Well, what folder structure?
Ah, of course. Yeah, my bad for asking.
Of course, this is.
T-Chef has T-Chef actually knows good C, man. He's a C expert. He's the only person who I allow to write C.
What about me?
No, you definitely do not get C privileges.
What the fuck? This is
Yeah, I don't know.
outrageous.
I would like to see.
This is unfair.
No, I really wouldn't like to see what Ali would cook up.
No, actually, I do good C code, bro. Let me show you.
Ah, really? Okay.
My C code is godlike. All right, you don't understand,
No, T-Chef C code is good like your one. I don't know, man.
bro.
I haven't seen it all, but I'll see it in a minute here.
Yeah, for real. Wait. Okay. I have to. Let me just. Wait. Soon. Actually, I have to, because I don't want to leak one thing. Well, I guess you guys will see it either way. But let's see. We're gonna go here, and then I'm gonna take that. See input. No. Why is it called in? Okay. Do. Okay, here. Look at my beautiful C code, alright?
Mm-hmm.
This is a DDA algorithm. Digital differential analysis. And
Yeah, no, that looks like shit. No, this looks like Wayland code almost.
How dare
But
you?
I guess it's an algorithm, so it's a bad example, man. Like algorithms in C are so ugly, it's
What else do you code in C except for
unbelievable.
God?
I don't know. You do normal shit.
That's C. What?
Okay, but what I can see here, delta dist y. That's bad.
Delta
Okay,
distance.
there's so much empty space. And
Empty
like,
space?
I don't know, man.
Where do you see the empty space, bro?
Everywhere, bro. The
Okay, line
lines are
30.
like 2 characters long. No, I mean like the lines that I have called have like they're like 2 lines long. Like bro, and oh my god, also it's having curly braces on a new line, bro. That's so annoying.
Bro, fuck
That
you.
shit's so awful. It's awful. It's
How
unimaginable
dare
how
you?
bad it is.
How dare you judge my beautiful SIG code? A SIG code.
There's nothing clean about this.
How dare you?
It looks like this code was written in like 1988. That's how bad this is.
Well, that's all C.
It's like everything is shorthand. Man, you should look at T-Chef C code. That shit is banger.
You should see my beautiful key
He's cooking.
handling. Should have been a switch, maybe.
Oh my god, bro. No, you shouldn't have made a switch because switches in C are so bad. It is better to do if-else.
Okay.
Like having fall through switch statements in 2025 is crazy. That is shit. 42, the ultimate answer.
Yeah, it's from back in the days. This code. Back in the good old days.
Okay, well I see you're doing some casting here. Looks like shit.
Casting is the best thing that exists in Z, bro. I'm telling you. Like, it's
No,
so damn
the
good.
casting barely exists, man. It's just a bunch of integers in C. There's no type safety, there's no type system. It's just how big the memory is. There's nothing else to it.
And that's all that matters.
Sure, that matters, but you know, in SIG we have stuff that is better. So, I mean, it's kind of like you can eat any kind of food, but like you can also eat very good food, you know? That's
C
kind of
make
how
is
SIG is.
better by make, but it's been hard to transition. I don't know. I kinda-
Ooh, make
I kind of prefer make,
SIG build system.
but
SIG build
yeah,
system
when it
is the
comes to that,
goat.
of course I think SIG build systems, to be honest, the best one so far that I've ever used. Even though I don't fully understand it, but I see like a lot of like it's so damn good.
Yeah, man, you like not even you not use it too much, but damn, it's powerful.
True, facts. Can I go back to this one now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Make file. Actually, how do you have so much make file in this project?
I swear to God, it's the Rust generating thing that does that. I need to get rid of it. I swear to God, bro. I don't know, bro. It's a small inconvenience, all right.
Sure.
Now, where were we? We were
Right.
about to do this.
No,
They have to be
I don't
more-
think so.
Well, yes. We were. Wait, what? All right. Fuck. How? Like so, and then we do that, and then equals undefined. Fuck yes, it works. Jesus, genius. Yes.
Lucas, your profile is cooked.
My profile.
Yeah, your profile is cooked on GitHub.
What?
Like, okay, hear me out. You have 38.99 C++. That's all right, I guess. You have 18% Rust, 13% C Sharp. Okay, and hear me out. You have 11% C and 7.46% Make5.
you know,
And you 10% C.
I have had like 80% C. Also
Yeah,
100.
where did that go?
Well, then I started to do too much TypeScript and and then Rust happened.
Yeah. And then Makefile happened, I see also.
Well, Makefile was always happening.
Yep. Makefiles. You know, my goal with my profile is to reach just 100% SIG, but my thing isn't updating for some reason, so I still have a bunch of Go. I haven't used Go in like 2 years.
I think my first thing I ever pushed was a C project. Can I see? Oh, yeah, it was.
Can you see?
I can see. 3 years ago.
What?
Look.
No,
at
no,
my
what is this?
print alphabet. My first ever. I don't know if it was my first ever commit, but
What did it print the alphabet? It just prints the alphabet?
yeah,
Is that it? Is that okay?
it literally just.
How did you?
It just writes. You just take 97 is where the first character happens, and then you just go 26 characters forward, and you just print them out in ASCII.
That. And put char, what does that do, may I ask?
It just writes. It does a syscall to write it out in what terminal.
Inefficient trash.
in which
You should
file
use a
descriptor.
buffer that's the exact size of the alphabet, and then you can populate that buffer and print it out in one single
Hey,
syscall.
this is
Rookie.
my first time ever writing C. Do you think I knew that?
Rookie. Rookie.
Do you think I
Rookie.
would have known that?
Yeah. How old is this C code?
3 years.
Huh. That's your first ever C code?
Yes.
3 years ago?
Yes.
Huh. I've been programming for like 3 years also.
Sure.
Well,
Rookie
2.5.
noob,
Well,
get good. Get good.
yeah, good, yeah.
What the fuck was this about?
Oh, while inside of while. Yes. Average C code. The nesting here is insane.
Not the names. Do not look at my C code. Not the names. Yes.
You know, I don't really have my early code to show because it was in Godot and I didn't really use Git back then. So it's all gone, but it wasn't anything special.
No, this was great. I love C so much. Oh, fuck, C is amazing.
C is good, but it's also really bad.
No, it's really good. You cannot say it's bad. It could be better.
Okay. Yeah, it could be a lot better. And a tremendously amount of betterness.
But yeah, I miss writing in CC. So
Wait, Lucas, before we continue, did you use quotes for your includes or just angle brackets?
well, you use angle brackets if it's a standard lib, but if it's your own lib, you use quotes.
Noob. Absolute noob. You don't know C, man. Absolute noob.
What the fuck do you use?
You don't use quotes. You don't use quotes if you're a good C user. Quotes are for noobs. You just add more include paths in your build. That's all you do.
What? In my make file? Nah,
Well-
bro.
No, but you don't really need to add. You just need to add like one include path because of how you should organize a
But you need
project.
to
Like you should have
specify
a
in the C
include.
what libraries you cannot just. You need the C file needs to know. The source file needs to know what libraries it's gonna use. The linker needs to know that. You cannot. You
Yeah,
cannot-
that's why you have an include path.
But you don't want to include all
No,
of the
hear me out.
libraries in all of the files.
No, but well, hear me out. So what you want to do when you make a C project is you want to. I'll just show it to you because this is hard to explain.
Use or out of their stuff. You have to use quotes in OS dev. Dumb. Yeah, Harold. You have to use. I don't know. You have to use quotes in OS dev. Harold? I think he died.
Yep.
He might have died.
Oh,
then.
sorry for that. No.
Oh, he's back
Right,
alive.
okay.
Damn.
Wait, Lucas. You see my screen?
Wait, let me just. I'm gonna put you on the big screen. Wait.
Yeah, sure. Also, what the guy there said is stupid because you don't have to do anything in any world. Okay, so how you should organize a project, Lucas? Can you tell me how you would organize a project?
Well, if I just wanted a main.c, I would just create a main.c in the root like that.
Wrong. What you do is you do source, and you do include, and in here you can let's say our thing is called lubus actually.
Lubas.
Then you would do lubus, and you would do lubus here. Yes, and then let's say we have our beautiful make here. Okay, and this one has like an include path to the include or whatever. Yeah, I don't know how to do include paths. Yeah, okay. And also one for
He's as good as
source,
AI,
I
he's
guess.
just inventing new features that doesn't exist.
Yes, but you get the point, you
No,
know.
I don't
And then you can have
that's
your
what I'm asking you to explain. I don't
no,
get
this
it.
is like okay, but okay. This is an include path. You know what an include path is?
No, I don't know,
Right?
because apparently it's something I do not. I would just
How
put
do
it,
bro? How does
I
bro
would
not know
just say
what an include path is?
include.h or include.h in my C file. That's all I know about the includes.
No. Like what you would do here then is you would do like lubus main.h. You see? And then in here we could have our int main. But you wouldn't really have a header for the main, but you get the point kinda, right? Right?
I would still just use quotations, bro.
No, quotations are actually bad. Like they're really not even allowed in SIG because they're so bad. Like when you translate just SIG. Yeah. Because they're so bad, they're not even allowed in SIG. And you know SIG doesn't allow shit that's
Mr.
bad.
Mango, subscribe with 1 tier or tier 1. Whoa, thank you, Mango. I should get that
Yes,
overlay
well,
still working. I haven't still yet gotten it.
Bro. Yeah, anyways, this is nice and clean organization. Ah, beautiful. This is how you write C, man.
But that's just
Well, like when I see this, I almost want to use C, man.
C is so amazing, bro. I'm telling you. Wait, let me.
It's not amazing, but when I look at this, I almost think it's amazing.
Let's see. I'm gonna go quickly to enable that Twitch overlay stuff. Is it like an extension I need? OBS. What is it? Linux OBS. What are they called?
Piss.
What are these things called that are supposed
Plugins?
to... No, is it a... But it shouldn't be a... bruh. Linux OBS... That's how you spell Linux with 2 I, by the way. Your GitHub is so cool. Thank you. Browser source, that's what I'm trying to find.
Actually, Lucas, how do you not have TypeScript on your profile?
That's a good question. I haven't written enough of
Yeah,
that.
that's a really good question. I like how I have 0.01 just of shell script.
Wait, can I still have it running while I install this thing? I think it will not apply it until the next time. Okay, I will get this until next time. I'm not gonna risk the whole stream just dying because it wouldn't be the first time, but I'm just gonna take it for the next time, alright? Enable OBS Studio, OBS Studio Browser. I can't spell browser for shit, like so. My OS crashed my whole PC once. Did you use Windows? Or was it your own? I have multiple Windows blue screens happened throughout my life. Okay. Ubuntu user here. Ah, nice. Harold is... Wait. Harold, you use Pop OS or
Pop
Ubuntu?
OS is Ubuntu. Pop OS is Ubuntu, but rebranded and minus all the bloatware.
Okay. So yeah, Harold is also... But
Yeah.
slightly different. Same, but different.
Yeah, well, same, but less bloat. You see, I don't have the trash called Snap Yeah, that shit's awful. It's, you know, all the things I know that are named Snap are shit. There's Snapchat, that sucks ass. There's Snap, that sucks ass. Anything that's named Snap is just bad.
Oh snap.
Yeah, exactly. You even say, oh snap.
Self dot, what do we have for image? Come on. No, well, that doesn't need a D, need a brother. What do we have? We have a gray image that needs to be deinitialized. We have the error checkerboard image that needs to be deinitialized, and we have the white image. I wonder the dinit. Is there anything else that needs to? No, because this is literally just overwriting the memory. That's all it does. It doesn't need to free anything else. It's just the same as. Okay. With part-time arch femboy. What? I have founder badge now. Yay! Oh wait. Oh my god! Look at that. That's crazy. I don't know what that badge does or mean, but that's great.
He's the founder, what can you say?
Yeah, exactly. For the 3D color image, we created the image with the color as the single pixel. For the checkerboard, we write 16 array of pixel color data, some simple math for a black magenta checker pattern. Do you remember, Harold, how we did the default thing for the Wallenstein?
Yes, it was horrendous.
Yes, it was. We basically wrote in
Oh,
the
so
top.
probably, yeah.
We
yeah,
basically
that
wrote in
should
the top of the whole file just a static array, and it put all of the values. But yeah, making it like this make more sense.
You can probably make it inline 4 also, because I think that will just be faster.
Oh, wait, I'm the person with the most subs. 1 literal pixel has been the pinnacle of my life for the past week. What pixel?
Sounds about right.
I know a guy called Pixel.
Pixel 6789. 6769, I think that pixel.
What the fuck? I'm calling. My brain is not braining. 67. Doesn't what is the guy called from Overwatch which has 67 on his back?
I don't know, 67 man.
No.
Bro, I don't play Overwatch and League of Legends, bro. Like I actually had like a life, you know.
Overwatch 67. Yeah, Soldier 67. This guy. I don't know what's the guy's name, but he has 67 on his back. It's in called Soldier. Overwatch Soldier. Oh, was it 76? Bro, fuck do I know now? This is confusing. Oh, it's 76. I'm hallucinating, guys. But that's nothing new.
Yep.
Bruh, what's 9 plus 10? I play TF2.
21.
I also used to play
9 plus 10.
TF2 a lot. I think I have like 1.4 thousand hours or something like that in that game. Bruh.
How do you mess up this badly, Lucas? How do you mess up
Or is
this
it
badly?
Dota 2 that I have that many? It's one or the other have that many hours. I have a lot more in Minecraft. If you could count that, bro. The amount of time I have put into the Minecraft is crazy.
Bro, you don't want to know how much time I've played Minecraft. I've played Minecraft basically every single day since I was 5 till I was like 12.
Damn. But Minecraft for real, like that. Best game ever, for real.
It's an okay game, I would have to say. It became worse.
Well, yeah. You know what? Basically, the game that I'm trying to recreate here, or create, is a game that I used to play a lot in Minecraft. Well, it wasn't on a planet, but it was, like, the concept is still the same, and it was so freaking cool, I loved it. I tried to recreate it in Minecraft, but I didn't understand much about programming when I tried to do it. So, I didn't leak memory in Java, but I just had an infinite buffer, or a buffer of entities just kept on growing and never got freed because I didn't understand that you have to basically say that once an entity has died, that you don't want to keep track of it anymore. So just have all of the enemies that could spawn and die that just kept on. I don't know, bro. It was crazy. I blame OOP. On the sampler, we will leave all parameters default except for min-mag filters, which we will have as either linear or
I don't know.
mirror.
OOP makes sense for games, like making games, man. You gotta have some sort of data-oriented kind of thing going on. Maybe not so much for the engine, but when you start actually making the game, you'll have to start like using a little bit of,
I'm back. No.
encapsulations.
Encapsulation
Bro, just make an
makes...
ECS.
Yeah, that's the encapsulation that you need. You don't need more than that. Well, it's good for systems, but that's why ECS is so perfect, because it's literally entity component and systems. The systems is the thing that is supposed to be isolated. Everything else don't need any isolations.
I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. ECS is just a way to satisfy your GPU.
No.
That's all I
ECS.
No, what?
It's literally like the predecessor to OOP was an ECS created by accident.
Oh yeah, that one.
And it was so good because
No,
it was,
I know which one you mean.
yeah, and it was so good. It was perfect. And then people didn't think about it anymore, and then they created OOP instead.
No, they didn't create the OOP. Managers created the OOP because they could understand it.
I don't know about that. Well, it makes sense kind of, but bro. Binding image to shaders. When we did the compute-based rendering, we bound the images using VK descriptor type storage image, which was the type we used read-write text. Wait, hold on, because if you use those things, don't you need to, for your device, create a queue that can transfer data then? Because I think we just queue for a graphics. I don't think we queue for a... Well, it might be that it's by accident this graphics queue actually supports compute or transfer data as well, so it's just a coincidence and we're just running happily. So, yeah. I'm back. Imagine using SIG. SIG is awesome, alright?
And it's alright.
It's alright. No, I don't... Oh yeah, there, Q count. And this was what I was thinking. I was thinking about this when I was walking from the gym. I was like, wait a minute, can you just have multiple Q counts in the logical device? That's crazy.
Yeah, you didn't know.
I didn't think about it because I always have been using one.
Yeah, it's because using more is like you have to be giga,
Giga.
and
Giga
giga again, but with an N brain, you know.
Wait, what? Giga with an N.
Yeah.
Wait, slow down. When we did which was the type we used for
You know,
read-write texture with
Gina.
no sum. Ah, yeah.
You know,
Gina.
giga,
Yes.
Gina, yeah. But what were you thinking?
Piga. Texture with no sampling logic. This is roughly equivalent to binding a buffer, just multi-dimensional one with different memory layout. But when we do drawing, we want to use the fixed hardware in the GPU for accessing texture data, which needs the sampler. We have the option to either use VK descriptor type combined image sampler, which package an image and a sampler to use with that image, or to use two descriptors and separate the two in VK descriptor type sampler and VK descriptor type sample image. According to GPU vendors, music went away. According to GPU vendors, the separate approach can be faster as there is less duplicate data, but it's a bit harder to deal with, so we won't be doing it for now. Instead, we will use the combined descriptor to make our shader simpler. Man, this is what I don't like about the tutorial. Like, it's why can we not just do it the hard way with the good stuff? Yeah, well, whatever. Or if they don't mention the other way, otherwise it's like, they mention a good way and then they do it another way. Okay, anyways. We will be modifying this rectangle draw we have before into a draw that displays an image in the that rectangle. We need to create a new fragment shader that will show that the image. Let's create a new fragment shader that for that. We'll call it texture image frag. Okay, sure. We'll call it that. Assets.
No, they ruined it.
What
They
did they-
ruined it.
What did they ruin?
The SIG standard library ruined it. They made a duration structure, but we already had this the time and then a bunch of nice constants. Ah, they ruined it.
Oh man.
They absolute buffoons.
Okay, this is cursing. But okay. Okay. And then we have two inputs.
Okay.
Okay. Shader, color, and UV. The shader doesn't use color, but we want to keep using the same vertex shader we have before. To sample a texture, you do texture sample coordinates. Sorry, what? There are other functions for things like directly accessing a given pixel. The texture object is declared as uniform sampler 2D, yes. Uh-huh. Oh, you can just, okay. Okay, and this does change our pipeline layout, so we are going to need to update it to, let's add the layout info class. Okay, Vulkan engine. VK descriptor set layout, single image descriptor set layout. And then I create that. Bruh, now I have to add that too in my. Good night, cheesecake. Sleep well.
Good night, cheesecake.
Diga might also be going real soon, but we're still just gonna add all of the single image descriptor layout as well, and then they add this in the builder, which we will probably also do like this. You see here? That's crazy. We're gonna do that as well, just for this one now. Right. Wait, hold on. I'm a bit of a struggler right now. I just realized. That's the config, so we want to actually keep it like this. And unused. Is this one somehow being used somewhere? Where the fuck? No, yeah, we are assigning it here. Good night, good night. Yeah, we're also gonna. I'm also gonna be really going soon. But
Yeah, right.
we're just gonna do a little bit of a tweaking. Let's see. Add binding. Uniform for descriptor type combined. Image sampler and then shader fragment. We don't need the vertex in this one. Like so. And then we'll try to initialize that. And see a descriptor set with just a single image on the descriptor. We can update the init mesh pipeline. Right, we'll have to change this whole damn thing. Would be nice if I would get all of this, but I think yeah, this will be fun. Tomorrow we'll continue from here where we'll load everything, because now we're getting to actually start to uncomment this. And in theory, we should be getting this. I know we won't, because I have some casting which I should be doing with some void pointers, but Sig ain't gonna be happy about that, so we'll have to fix that, and that will be super fun. But we'll do it tomorrow. We'll start loading all of these shaders and putting the pipelines together, and I still want to rethink a little bit how I do the config here, but no, this is actually fine. Or is it fine? We could store actually this flag in the config, so you wouldn't have to pass it in a separate field. That's what I'm thinking. That would be nice, kind of. Maybe. Bro, my train is delayed 3 hours and it's so cold. Bro, that's sad. Wait, did Harold say BRB? Harold, you there? Hello? Harold, did he go? Harold. Okay, he might have died. That's big sad, but it happens.
It'd be like that.
It do be that. Could it make sense to take this away from here and just put it in like inside of the config? Because I'm like, this is always so, is it so specific though? Like you take shader stage flags. Ah yeah, but you want each of these to actually apply that. Okay, no, okay, then you can't really, well, you could still do it. You could still just store it in a field here at the layout, and then we could just access it here because you still need to. No. Actually, no. Wait, what? Yeah, but you do take in the config, so you could start in the config, that's what I'm trying to say. Bruh, I'm tripping balls. So when you just create by the... No, but... Yeah, but otherwise... Because then you could just pass that into the config, and the config is already kind of like messed up. Or doesn't even have a field, to be honest. But then you would just, in this case here, just call init and you pass in these two, and you wouldn't have to do a third. Well, does it really matter? I need to go to wars, that food segment C. What? What wars? oh. Wars, wait, probably move. Okay, damn crazy. I think I'm gonna hit the gym tomorrow. Back in chest, yeah. But I'm gonna go sleep. Tomorrow we're gonna look into these things.
Sleep.
And we'll get maybe some textures there. Maybe. That's a big maybe. But yeah, that will be it. Harold is not here to say bye-bye, but I will say bye-bye and good night. And we'll continue tomorrow. Bye.